Forget boring upgrades. Let's explore one of the best of thrilling technology as Sony has given a refresh to its Xperia 10 series with a new chip and a revamped look. But the question remains, do these upgrades truly live up to the hype? We'll dive into this video to help you decide. Let's start with the design and build. Both phones rock sleek modern vibes with stunning 6-inch plus displays. The Xperia 10 Mark III boasts a gorgeous OLED panel, while the 10 Mark II offers a vibrant LCD. Both are protected by tough Gorilla Glass, so clumsiness is less of a worry. But the 10 Mark III takes the crown to its premium metal frame, while the 10 Mark II keeps things light with a refined plastic back. Ultimately, it's metal majesty versus lightweight charm. Now, onto the performance. Both packs the punch of Snapdragon 865 processor, handling games, multitasking and anything else you throw at them with ease. But the 10 Mark III steps up with its higher refresh rate display, making everything smoother and more immersive. Moving on to the cameras. This is where the 10 Mark III truly shines. It boasts a triple camera system with a powerful 48 megapixel main sensor, a versatile ultrawide lens and a dedicated telephoto lens for impressive zoom. The 10 Mark II still has a solid triple camera setup, but it lacks the versatility and firepower of its sibling. So, if you are a photography enthusiast, the 10 Mark III is a true winner. And of course, the battery department. The 10 Mark III wins again with its larger 4500 mAh battery, squeezing out slightly more screen time compared to the 10 Mark II's 3600 mAh. But both the phones will comfortably last a day in a single charge, so battery life shouldn't be a deal breaker. Finally, the software. Both phones runs on latest Android 11, delivering a smooth and intuitive user experience. You will get all the latest features and updates, keeping you future-proofed. Let's talk about the price tag. On Ovantica, you can easily get the Xperia 10 Mark III around 15,999. while the 10 Mark II comes in at 11,399. When you choose Ovantica.com, you are in for a treat. We offer up to 6 months warranty and 1 year warranty on Apple gadgets, along with free delivery anywhere in India. Plus, every device undergoes a rigorous 49-point quality check, ensuring you get nothing but the best. Don't forget to leave a comment below and let me know which Xperia you would choose. And for more tech content, hit the subscribe button and smash the like button.